Christ Nursery and Primary School, we still have another beneficiary here, Enewa John, and we are here to give you your first term school fees. And I am also calling on the executive director to do the presentation to her.
Yeah, we have Enewa John here, and we're also presenting to her first term school fees. And we're also praying that you can see how little she is, but we know that the young shall grow. So we are believing God for this one to also grow and become mighty like us. So here is our school fees. We believe that God will sustain her and keep protecting her until she becomes a better person in the society. Thank you. Anyway, I have your school fees. Yeah.
Collect it.
On behalf of Christ Nursery and Primary School management and staff, we want to still say thank you, a very big thank you to Ra Foundation. We give uncountable bosa to them, and we say they will continue to live and they will grow stronger, and God will grant them their heart desires. These children they are helping today, they don't have anything today, but the God that guides them will bless Ra Foundation. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. It's a privilege, sir.
Thank you, madam.
You're welcome.
The ambassadors visited this school last week. They were able to identify this particular boy named Sunday Agbo. Am I correct?
Yeah.
And you can see how terrible his school uniform is. See how he's looking like, very tattered uniform. He cannot compete favorably with his mates with this kind of uniform. So we deem it fit that we need to replace his school uniform. And that is why we've come today to present another one to him so that we can replace this tattered uniform. And I'm here with all the ambassadors and the volunteers for the presentation of this uniform to Sunday Agbo. These are little boys, Sunday Agbo. That's how we are here this afternoon. And see, here is the uniform. Sunday Agbo, take this uniform so that you can build confidence and you'll be able to compete with your mates in the class. So, automatically this builds his confidence, and then he will be able to compete with his mates. If he has been taking position like 12 before, he will now be taking first and second. That's the belief. So it is also important, everybody that is watching this video all over the world should also equally try and begin to partake in things like this and begin to support all the needies, the less privileged around you. We are not saying bring your money to us. We are not saying come and contribute to what we are doing, but just do your part. There are so many other children that are looking tattered like this one that is looking smart now, and you can make them look like this. Do that and God will bless you richly. Thank you all.